What a fight to get these bolts undone. I think I'm just going to cut this one off with the old flamethrower here. At least I've got a nice convenient rust hole here that I can look through. Fire! Take that. And welcome to my fight. If you don't know me yet, my name is Div from Radros for Africa, a small one-man shop out there in the middle of the forest where I realized my rusty, dusty, crazy dreams. So first up, job on the agenda is to get this load bin off here. I've got it all loose now, all the bolts are taken out. But I need to make a plan now to lift it off. I've got this waste here, but obviously I need to get crackpot out of the way. And if you're wondering about her, I'm just waiting for a few small parts. And then we can finally make her drivable. That will be in another video. Let's see if the old man can push her out by himself. Maybe it's in gear. Try again by his lonesome self. There, block. Help a lot if you remove the wooden blocks. Oh, one more time. And there we go. That ought to do it. I've just got to figure out the way to hook it. Okay, I've got some chains attached. Let's see what's going to happen. Lifting somehow. Huh. Seems that corner is still attached somehow. Down. Aha. Looking good. Just make sure that I've disconnected everything. I did take off the fuel tank filler hose and the wires. It's all looking pretty damn good. It's going smoothly. A little bit more. Well, if you can just stay here for a while, I can just drive the truck out. Let's do it. There you go. That was pretty painless. I gotta come up with a way to get this piece of shit out of my shop now. Now how am I going to get this thing out of my shop? I do detect a little bit of collapsement here. So I've got this strange trolley-like thing. So maybe I can make a plan with that and put it on this to push it out of my shop. Need to go up a bit more first. I reckon if I put it in the middle, it will kind of balance a little bit, but I'm going to have to block it up or something. No, that was a El Crapo plan. Too much of a balancing act. So plan B, I'm going to cut this thing off, and then I can flip the whole bed over, or load bin, whatever you want to call it. And then I've got a nice flat surface to stick onto my trolley. There, take that. It pissed on me. There was water in one of those pipes, and then, now look. Okay, let's see what's going to happen now. Okay, now what? Nope. Plan C. What's that story about persistence? I'm not going to give up that easy. Let's try this. Move the chain a bit up and make it shorter. Okay, let's try plan C. Alright, now what? Problem is the roof is not high enough. Damn. Looks like I need some young muscle. Better go see what I can find. Old man is not going to do this by himself. Yes, one strong back required. I'll be back. Well, okay, no strong young backs available within a 10-mile radius. That's gonna have to be plan D, I think. Let's try this. Who's the boss now? Maybe I should just go this side. Just in case. Maybe I should just go this side. Just in case. Oops, I've run out of chain. But it's almost there. How heavy is this thing? Ooh. Plan D.5. So this chain is fully extended, I can't drop it more. Now I've brought my trusty friend the jack. So let's see if we can lift it with the jack. That should be enough. Haha. All right. Sweet. So now I've just got to lift it a little bit to get my trolley underneath. Now my chains are too short. Always challenging. Just a little bit of thinking. The chain is long enough here in the middle, so let's hoist it and see how it's going to balance. And I'd say with a bit of luck, I've got my cart pushed in here now, and then hopefully I've got the balance point. Let's see if we drop it down now. Other way. Haha, we're mobile. Sweet.
Oh yeah!
Quite stable too. Right, off we go to get this thing out of my shop. Let's see how far we get. Holy cow, look at this mess here. There's enough soil and stuff here to start a garden with. Compost, mulch, the whole works. Well, I got it this far and I'm stuck in the mud. But at least it's out of the shop.
Whoopee!
So yeah, I will make plan E or F or Z or whatever it is tomorrow to get this out of our way. So I'm just scavenging a few last parts from this load bin before it goes off somewhere, become new steel. Probably gonna go to China, I guess. It's the next day, so I'm gonna see if I can get this thing out of my driveway with my little baby tractor. I think I'm just going to leave it here for now, and we'll move it further away when the big tractor comes at some time when I want to shuffle things a little bit. Overall the chassis looks good though, and there are no major problems that I can see. Actually got very little rust. One bite at a time, eh? Thanks for watching my carrying ons out here in the forest. I'll see you again when I rip the cab off of that little Nissan donor truck. Until then, have a good one.